Good money, man. Pakainin mo muna, mamaya na yung picture. Nasarapan mo tayo, pakainin mo na rin.
Dito ka sa kabila. Bradley, dito sa kabila para makuha kita. Bradley, dito ka para makita.
Marami pala pang anto, Bradley.
Hindi kaya Uncle Clip po doon, kaya Uncle Clip po doon.
Huwag mo ko.
Bradley pala pangalan.
Oo. Hindi naman, tatay ko po, Manny po pangalan eh.
Manny Bradley.
Manny rin po.
Ayan ang pinipirman na.
Ayos. Thank you po, thank you po. Good luck po, thank you.
May na kayo umayos lang.
Kaya lang po, bibicturean ko lang po sila yung ano, yung nasa harapan ko kanina, yung mga kakampi ko po.
Black po, black.
Ah, may t-shirt. Kunya daya. Harap ko bibigyan.
Ito na lang.
Nice in the back. You gotta be fair, guys.
The air bag, I got you in there, hold on bro. I can't do it all at once.
Pa-picture mo nga. Pa-picture mo na kami. Sir Manny, pa-picture po. Wait, Daddy. Thank you po. Sorry, may magiging naman. Ito na to, Daddy. Opo, ayan. Grabe, pipirman tayo yung give it to me.
Yun!
Silver. Silver po, silver po. Ay! Maganda ba give it to me? Isa pa eh.
Huwag mo nang susuot yan ha, kuya. Sayang yan.
Ginawa nito 100. T-shirt pa.
Nalabahan, pero.
Asuotin mo na pa. Pulse lang sila para maroon na silang paa. Thank you. Salamat.
Sino ba sino po?
Can you guys not push? We're getting
Nagkakat na po
crowded
sila
out.
lahat. Magsigaw mo, nagkakat na sila.
Silver po, silver po.
One step back.
Oo, nagkakat
Hey
na
guys,
po.
one step
The
back.
line starts that way.
One step back, guys.
Tapos na
I
po.
am not gonna entertain any of this.
Tapos na po ulit.
Thank you.
Right.
I got a special gift for you, man. I'll show you right now. Hopefully you like it.
Cellphone ko.
You put it in your,
Yes.
your camp.
Okay.
Your camp
Thank you
house.
po, Sir Manny.
Nag-EF.
That's for him.
Thank you for this gift.
Lagyan na natin sa...
65. What do you put 64?
Pac-Man for my birthday. Thank you. I show you my ID. 64 today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No. No, Penny, that's for you. A gift from me to you. That's for me for you.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, go ahead. Yeah.
Let me
That's a
get
special gift for you. Humble
Thank you,
gift.
guys. Thank you
Thank
for
you
my
so much.
birthday.
Thank you, Ben.
Mommy.
Thank you so much.
Regalo mo. Regalo mo.
Thank you so much. Oh, I'll be awesome. I'm really excited. Thank you for the phone. Thank you. Let's give it up. Thank you, man. Can you play the score, man, please?
Sandra. You got yours, son?
Karin kayo po.
Ito sa asawa ko. Ano? Halika, dali, dali. Halika. Matagal ka na gusto makita niya. Di ba, sini ka? Pakipwede siya. Ang dali ang dali. Last mo yung kasi ng dalawa ni Manny. Kami ka. Halika na. Dali, Flor. Kuno ko man ito, Flor.
Ayan. Go, Flor. Flor. Oh, yes.
This is my daughter.
Okay.
Ito, Pep.
Meron siyang pet?
Binigay niya.
Okay. Matapos yung side.
Ay, kukunan mo nga ako.
Picture.
Okay.
Video? Video, photo.
Go, Flo.
Ah, dito dito.
Ang dali ko. Picture lang, ito lang.
Dito lang po ah.
Lagi magkasama.
Flo, Flo, salamat.
One. Oh. 1, 2.
Lagi magkasama. Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah!
You got that right. That's when you get
Man, you stand-up comedian.
Kinahoya, man.
Kailangan si Manny.
Sabihin mo nga ulit
I need space here, guys.
Oh, thank you. Happy wife, happy life.
Yes! Thank you.
Okay, before you eat,
Excuse me.
Hi, come on.
Maganda yan.
Vamos.
Labas, ito ang labas. Ito ang labas.
Could the girls go? Just take a picture.
Ito ang labas, ito ang labas.
Ah, dapat mo.
But you gotta go.
Pera ba? Mandala ko
Just sign the jacket.
See you in Vegas. See you.
Here, Rochelle, where are you?
Which one are you getting signed? The shirt? Jacket?
Yeah, just the back of your jacket.
Ay ba?
Here, go.
Confident.
Sosa. Here, Lonnie, those pictures go.
Pero gusto mo na po to ay po. Gracias.
You see the biggest?
Turn around.
Thank you, Manny.
Thank you, Becca.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, sir. Thank you. Walang wala pati box. Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Yung kaya likod ko.
Shove.
Okay.
Shove.
Pwede rin.
Yes, girl, get it.
So, Manny, salamat.
Oh, so kaya please kaya.
Let me first.
I'll play the music.
Thank you so much for your time.
Kunan nila lang natin.
Likod ko na lang, Manny. Likod ko. Manny ko lang. Ayoko na likod ko. Please. Wow!
Sana yung bag. Backpack.
Kamay ko na lang, di ako maliligo. Inilit mo?
Thank you for. Hey, he's gonna leave and eat, so we all need to get in this one.
Non. Vas-y, mets-toi à côté, il est pas inutile l'enfant là. Mère, elle a s'est mis à côté, toi viens, il y a pas Yes.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Manny.
Tu commences pareil, il faut que tu pousses tout le monde. Voilà, je passe. Please, thank you.
He's gonna eat first, guys, and then we'll start back.
Pwede ba picture sa akin?
Adi rin, gaganating mong god. Ambi mga
Yeah, turn around. Go turn around.
Allez, après ça, toi. Vas-y.
Turn around.
Thank you, honey.
kadali ako mahanap. Ambi yung mga bata mo.
Mami, pwede pa parma yung likod? My hat, please. Thank you, That's good. Marie, like you got a song for Qu'est-ce que tu en fais, c'est des paysans? Vas-y, Diane, vas-y.
What's your name, boy?
Wala mo daw si Vicky. Dali ko na picture kasi nag-video ako.
Nang ano?
Picture daw si Vicky.
Manny, pwede pa picture.
Si Manny na, oh my God.
Vicky, picture.
Vicky na, picture daw kayong dalawa. Thank you. Picture daw kami dalawa. Eh, hindi ako makasingit. Ano ka kayong dalawa?
Okay, thank you. 1, 2, thank you.
T-shirt, man.
Hindi ka ulit.
Let's go na, Pat. Let's go na. Picture na.
Let's go. Bye, Manny. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Thank you. Sir,
Gusto mo ng punching bag?
Kay Manny.
Bagong branding. UCLA?
Sabi mo sa kanya yung sa PBA, yung
Ay, tapos na. Tapos na.
Pwede din ba Manny?
Sige, nakatuwa na naman. Limot. Limot yung mabigay.
Ikaw pa yung Chicago? Chicago pa mo?
Oo.
Nagtanong na yung balik ko lang.
Camera ready for now?
Ha?
Masami?
Sa Chicago? Oh, sige, nakagasto dito. Dogan kaayo. Pwede mo picture sa kumbana? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ano, dire?
Champion.
Ano kay Kaila?
Nag-native naman ako.
Puhon. Patyo. Manny. One, please. Una picture, please.
Salamat po, good luck, salamat. C'est moi qui va l'amener.
Pretty much the last one, so you know, Manny.
Yes, oh, it's pretty good.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
Es my son. Es de Confred. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you. Could you put my name on it too?
The last one.
Pele. P-E-L-E.
Manny, he's hungry already.
Pele, like the soccer player.
P-E-L-E.
Yeah, there you go. To Pele. P-E-L-E.
You play soccer, bro?
Nah, it's just my nickname. P-E-L-E. E? E? Eh.
It's an eagle?
Yeah. E is an eagle. L. E is an eagle. Yeah. Cool. That's it. That's my nickname.
Billy.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You want me to put the date?
Yeah, sure.
What's the date?
6:30.
6:30, 25.
25.
There you go. Cool.
Wow.
Thank you, man. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Manny, can I take a picture with you? Manny, can we take a picture with my son?
I didn't say you.
I know you signed mine, but we don't want to.
Thank you so much, Manny. God bless. God bless, Manny.
Thank you, Manny.
Gracias, señores.
Gracias. Thank you. Hey, good luck in your fight.
Look, man, from hell to ash.
Manny, can I get a pic?
Aling tapi ng asphalt. Ang dami na. Side views.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
Where's homeboy with the marker?
Give me that. That's mine.
Mine now, tingnan mo ang ginawa.
Ako din kaya, oh. Black ink.